Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account private. So if you want to make your Facebook account completely private so that you can hide your account from people that you don't know or just everybody, even if they follow you or even if you know them, and I'll show you guys how to do that in this video today. So first things first, head over to your Facebook app. Now once you are here on the home page, you're going to want to click on the three bars in the bottom right corner. Once you click on the three bars on the bottom right corner, you will be brought to this page here. Your menu, once you are brought to your menu, scroll down until you see the option settings and privacy. Out of these four options, once you click on drop down bar, you're going to want to click on settings, which is at the top option there. Once you click on settings, you're going to be brought to this page here, and here you're going to look for the option privacy checkup. If you can find the privacy checkup in the account subsection, then you can click on the search option in the top right corner and then search up privacy checkup there. Once you find privacy checkup, you're going to want to click on it, and once you click on it, you will be brought to this page here. On this page, you're going to want to click on who can see what you share. So once you click on who can see what you share, you're going to be brought to this page here. You're going to want to click continue, and then on all these options here, you're gonna just going to want to turn it all to only me. If you turn it on to only me, that will make your account completely private. But there are other options as well. So if you want to make it to just friends or friends of friends, that you could do that as well. But if you want to completely private, change it all to only me. Once you do that, click on next and change both of this to only me as well. But like I said before, you don't have to change it to only me. This is only if you want it completely private. To us, you can see there's friends, friends, or friends, and then friends accept. So like you can choose any of this that you want. They all work basically the same, but just depending on your situations, you can change it. I'll just choose only me for this option. So, but you can choose any one that you want depending on your situation, like I said. So just go through all this and change it to whatever you want. If you want it completely private, like I said, change it to only me. And once you do that, just click on next, and you can turn on the limit off, or so limit. So if you click on limit, then that will limit your past post, so nobody can view your old posts as well. So once you click on next, you can block anybody that you want. If you want to do that as well, then you can click next again. Once you do that, you're going to want to go to how to keep your account secure. So once you click on how to keep your account secure, just click on next, and you can turn off these alerts if you want this. It doesn't actually really matter. So you can click next after that, and then as your password private, you can change your password if you want. Click on next and then click on next. So that's basically all for that option as well. Now you're going to want to go to how people can find you on Facebook. Click on next, and then here you're going to change it from everyone to friends of friends. So it doesn't really matter though, but you can change it to friends and friends if you want. And on this, you, like I said before, change it to only me if you want to completely private. And then you can turn this option off as well, so people can find you if search for you on Google and such. And once you do that, just click on next, and I think that's basically everything that you can do. You can go to your data settings on Facebook as well and click continue. This is the daily settings, don't really matter, it's just games and apps that are linked to your Facebook account. But you can turn those off if you want. But that's how you make your Facebook account private. So I hope this video was helpful. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next time.